If one day, you fully show your true self, what will change? We are used to wearing masks to hide our true desires and pain points. Every compromise and repression builds an insurmountable wall in the heart. Only by accepting your true self can you put down the burden, free yourself from the shackles, and let the soul return to a light state. Do you often deny your true self because of fear of criticism? But the truth is that refusing to accept yourself will only deepen your inner pain. Looking back on our hearts, it guides us to face our shortcomings and imperfections bravely. When you stop demanding yourself and look at yourself with compassion and tolerance, the shackles of the soul will naturally loosen. Acceptation does not mean compromise, but a deep understanding of reality. Everyone has scars in their hearts, but these scars are proof of growth. When you choose to face these wounds instead of escaping, you can begin to heal. The past may not be changed, but accepting can give you the courage to start over. Just like a calm lake, it can reflect the real sky and accept and clearly see your true needs and values. Many times, we are the most demanding on ourselves because we are afraid of not being recognized. Only by being kind to yourself and learn to reconcile with yourself can you achieve true inner peace. Imagine that your heart is like a child, eager to be understood and accepted. When you begin to show empathy to yourself, the pressure and confrontation in your heart will naturally disappear, replaced by warmth and comfort. Are you used to pursuing perfection, but ignore that imperfection itself is a part of life? Imperfection is not terrible. What is terrible is the resistance to imperfection. Only by embracing imperfection can we truly feel the integrity and abundance. You don't need to wait for one day to reach the ideal standard, but you can start at this moment. It takes courage to accept oneself, because it means that we must let go of the labels and expectations given by society. Everything comes from the heart. When you decide to stop pleasing others and be loyal to yourself, you can find true satisfaction in your heart. Courage comes from understanding that your value does not need the recognition of others. Only when you accept everything about yourself, including flaws and past mistakes, can you feel true freedom. This freedom is not influenced by external influence, but comes from internal power. When you start to live a life consistent with yourself, you will find that your heart is no longer limited by the worldly framework, but has more choices and possibilities.